Good morning everyone. We're in the capital of Jordan, Amman. We're currently walking up to the Citadel, which is right behind me. And this is a view of the city. Incredible. So let's go and do some exploring. Should be right up that hill down there. Here we are at the Amman Citadel. Amman Citadel, National Historic Site and Archaeological Museum. This site is included on the Jordan Pass. As I said, if you have a Jordan Pass, like we have, this site will be free entry. Before we came into Jordan, we applied for a Jordan Pass. It was about 75 Jordanian dirhams, which is about $100. They waive off the visa fee on entry, plus you get free entry on most tourist attractions in Jordan. For example, the Citadel here, it would have cost us 3 Jordanian dirhams each, but with the Jordan Pass we got in free, so it's well worth doing if you're thinking to visit Jordan. right on top. Was well worth it. Wow, look what an incredible view from up here. Walking casually through the streets of Amman. Bello questo, guarda.
Ma guarda dentro.
Here we are in Jerash, one of the monumental and most integrated among the oldest Levant cities built by the Romans over the history. The city of Jerash has been known as Gerasho, Antioch, Gerasa, Jerash, and Pompeii of the Middle East. The 1,000 column city locates about 570 meters above the sea level. Okay, let's go. Let's go and have a look.
people, they were covered everywhere. Yeah? So this is they cleaned up in the 60s. Otherwise, it used to be debris to that level.
When the Romans get here, they lit the oval plaza much bigger, so we can see the difference between the Greek stones and between the Roman stones. So we know.
Well, this was really an incredible place. It almost reminded me of Pompeii. So much to see. I think you need at least, I would say, 2 or 3 hours in here to see the main things. So yeah, highly recommend it. I believe also if you got the Jordan pass, you get free entry here. So yeah.